Hello my followers, today I will teach you the threading by taking the thread, cotton thread. I'm gonna take like this long and we cut it from here. We do here the knot, small knot. Now we have like this, we twist it 3 to 4 times like this and we do the mustache this way. And we do the eyebrow the same way, look. Why you spend your money and go to the salon? You save this money and you will go to the trip. It's easy. If you do it 1 time, 2 times, you're gonna learn. You're gonna move these 2 and these 2 fingers like this. Don't spend your money, save your money. I hope you like it and you learn.